Greetings, digital aficionados. Big Poppa Code in the house, bringing to you another electrifying episode from the mysterious realms of software. Ever pondered why sometimes in the tech world, less is actually more? Have you ever been overwhelmed by a software boasting a zillion features only to find solace in another that does way less but feels just right? What if I said in the software universe, worse might indeed be better? Think of it like a grand buffet with countless dishes versus a simple, well-made sandwich. While the buffet has variety, it can be overwhelming and confusing, but that sandwich, it's straightforward, satisfying, and exactly what you crave. Similarly, in software, it's not always the abundance of features, but the relevance and simplicity that triumph. The worse is better philosophy, popularized by Richard P. Gabriel in the late 80s, paints an unconventional picture. It contends that software quality doesn't always scale with added functionality. Sometimes curbing features to retain simplicity and ease of use is the real winner. In essence, software that's restricted in features but a breeze to operate can often resonate more with users, and subsequently find greater market success. Just like you might pick that delightful sandwich over the confusing buffet spread, software users lean towards applications that serve their core needs without unnecessary complications. The allure of worse is better isn't about creating inferior products, but about understanding and prioritizing what users truly value. In our relentless quest for perfection and feature-stuffed software, we often forget the beauty of simplicity. The worse is better model reminds us that sometimes dialing back, focusing on the essentials, and prioritizing user experience over exhaustive features can craft products that stand the test of time. After all, in the grand code of software, it's the user's heart we aim to capture. And there you have it, a paradoxical truth from the annals of software history. If today's bite-sized wisdom resonated with your tech spirit, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the knowledge with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until our next digital rendezvous, my friends, keep those brackets in line and may your code be ever bug-free. P.S. Don't forget to check out me and my friends on the Deeper Than Code podcast, available on all major podcasting platforms. Peace.